Hello and welcome to How to Plan a Walt Disney World Vacation. My name is Justin and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I am so excited to have you here and so glad you decided to take the time to learn how to plan a Walt Disney World vacation. Now, you might be enrolled in this course for many reasons. You could just be someone who's thinking about doing it soon and not sure where to start. Or you could have gone for years and haven't been in 20 some odd years and you just want a refresher on how to plan because a lot has changed at Walt Disney World. Or maybe you've done this many times and you just want to keep learning yourself. Whatever the case may be, I'm so excited to have you here and I'm so grateful you decided to trust me with learning how to plan a Disney vacation. In this course, we're going to be covering everything from the Disney resorts, the 4 theme parks, the 2 water parks, the Disney dining plan, Fast Pass Plus, My Disney Experience. We're going to talk about when do I make my reservations for key things such as dining, Fast Passes. Should I stay on-site or off-site? All these things are going to be covered in this course and much, much more. I'm also going to give you a lot of great tools, such as a planning spreadsheet that I use for every single trip that is essential in my process of planning. I'm going to give you that exact spreadsheet and give you the know-how on how to use that spreadsheet to better plan for your trips, all while using a trip that I'm going to be going on in about 6 days now as the example for this course. So, if you're ready, let's get started because we got a lot to cover here.